Hey everyone, happy Self Love Sunday. So let's do a check in. This is an opportunity for you to check into your heart center, to do some self reflection, to see what is happening on the inside. So just take a moment for yourself. Get into a comfortable position where you will not be disturbed for a few minutes, and close your eyes. Now, place a hand or two over your heart center and take a deep breath in through your nose, sighing it out. Releasing all that tension, releasing anything that you may be holding on to. And then take another deep breath in through your nose and sigh it out. Just allowing your body to relax, your mind to relax, to allow any emotions or any thoughts to settle, to create space for yourself, releasing and letting go of anything that feels heavy, anything that feels dense or negative. And just allow yourself to be in this moment. Allowing your body to relax, to deeply feel that relaxation settle into your body as you allow your muscles and your tendons, allowing everything to just release and let go. And just continue to breathe, allowing your breath to flow, allowing the belly to rise and to fall. Allowing yourself this time and space for peace, for healing, for self-reflection. And just breathing, continuing to release. Allow yourself to enjoy this moment. Allow yourself to receive love and light. Allow yourself to give yourself the love that you need to open your heart to that love. And continue to breathe. Continue to let go. Continue to release. This may take some time, and if you need to, you can focus on starting at the top of your head and intentionally releasing as you go, allowing that relaxation to flow all the way down your body. Just allowing yourself to be here in this moment, relaxing, nourishing yourself, allowing the breath to flow and to heal you, to nurture you. Continue to breathe. Now, just stay in this spot, in this moment. There's There's no hurry, there's no rushing, just be with this moment. Take this time for yourself. Allowing your breath to flow. Thank you for being here. Namaste.